Pawpaw's Bees, Funny Bees and Woodworks. I'm just now getting around to installing. Got 7 swarms installed. This is swarm number 13 that I shook out of the tree last week. Just been crazy around here. So, never did see the queen. Just knew I had her in the box. This girl's been busy. They've been in there. Shoot, I guess tomorrow will be a week. Drawn that there about out. That frame's heavy. They done got it drawn out and full of nectar. So they're moving right along now. They're working on that side. I brought a daggone 5-frame nuke over here for them. I may have done wrong. They might need something bigger than that. This is a week now. Queen is in here laying. There she is right there. She's pretty. She's big. She's pretty. Look at that thing. I'll get her marked. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Yeah, I might should have just gone ahead and get him a 10 frame. I may have to bring her another box over here. Because, a pretty good nectar flow going on right now. Get it marked good. Come on, girl. I'll turn you back loose in just a second. Alright, there she is. Got her little makeup on, so she'll be easier to find next time. Yeah, I might have messed up. Probably should have put these girls in 10 frame. Well, hindsight's always 20/20. That is a frame that I put in the box. She got it laid up, laying pretty, right dead center. I put in the box when I shook them, just to try to help hold them there. Put her up here. And then I gave her empties. That's all fresh drawn. Laid up. Laid up. Beautiful. Yeah. I'm going to finish looking at these frames. I'm going to go get her a 10 frame. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All that pretty brand new wax. I don't know. I already got them in this box at this stage. Fully drawn out. Fully drawn out. That's 4 frames fully drawn and full of nectar in a week. Less than a week, actually. So, I'm going to get her another box. So, when you pick up that nuke, install it. This is how you do it. You just go, leave the box down there in the front. There's Mama. Alright, that's phone number 13 to 2025 installed. And I'm going to have to go get them another box. Pawpaw's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe.